Right now we're going to print an underbase, which is like a white primer that's going to go down. Then we're going to use a flash dryer that will dry that ink to the touch so that we can print color on top of it. We probably don't actually need an underbase for this job because it's a dark color going in a lighter garment, but we're going to at least show you what it does. Right here we have a pressure knob. This tells the squeegee how much force is going downward. Right here we have the height knob, which moves the squeegee up and down. And right here we have the height knob for our flood bar that pushes the flood bar up and down. So we have individual controls over the flood bar and the squeegee, while the pressure knob pushes both down in the carriage at the same time. On this side of the carriage, you can see we can set our squeegee angle and our flood bar angle. In most cases, when we're printing an underbase, I like to have the angle right around 10 degrees. As you can see, these flash bulbs come on. It's like heat lamps that heat up the ink until it reaches about 200 degrees. You can see here that with an underbase, a dark color printing over the underbase lightens up a little bit. But when we look at this same color printed without the underbase, it has more of the true navy color that we were looking for. All cotton shirts have a bunch of fibers sticking up. It's called fibrillation. In order to combat fibrillation, there's a lot of different techniques you can use, but the easiest thing to do is get a device called the STAMPINATOR. It acts like a heat press that comes down and stamps down onto the print. Using the STAMPINATOR, you can achieve a beautiful, smooth print with no fibrillation.